Hello, 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 everyone. Yeah, so for this afternoon, good evening for those who are in Philippines. And yeah, how's everyone doing? So far, right? Crypto since our last live was around March 6th. And I have informed you guys, okay, regarding about Bitcoin. Yeah. So March 6th was roughly around this area. Let's do a quick, quick review of the Bitcoin right here. So March 6th, it was roughly around here. Let me do a review. And I told you guys that anywhere, right, on this red zone, if you guys remembered, any as long as we are below, okay, below this green zone, or let me change this one. Let me change it to, okay, there you go. Orange, let's say. Okay, as long as we are below this area, okay, and we are in the red zone, okay, this area, expect Bitcoin to, to go more down, nothing else than that. But if we do, go up, at least like, above this orange zone, and then we have the chance of visiting the 104 level. Yeah, you guys remember that 104 level. So um with Bitcoin right now, finally, it's almost a month that has passed. So and so far during this time, market haven't really did any significant, except the last quite few days, diba? That we have been having some movement at least. But if you guys would observe, okay, by March 6th, I told you, right? If we fail or if we reject right around this area, expect Bitcoin to go more down. So what happened after that? We did at least like from March 6th, more 16%. Because like I have said, Bitcoin needs to do minimum 30%. And if we refer it, to the current low, which is around here, we are hitting the 30%, right? This 30%, we have talked about this even since December, that soon Bitcoin will have a correction, and it will be roughly around 30%. And, finally, it has happened, and that took quite some time, guys, to be honest. So now, one of the reasons why we did our live, this time as well, is that I wanna, I wanna discuss with you the market cycle of crypto now. Sige, so we'll talk about that after this. So now, moving forward, yeah. So we're having a slow, at least like slow bounce to the upside, roughly like 10 to 15% right here. But are we in the clear zone? Means are we in the clear zone that we're gonna, go more or visit 100K at least, okay? At least 100K. Not in the 100K yet, guys, okay? Not yet. But roughly around 90 level, actually by 89 to 90. Okay, 90, 91. This zone, you guys can see. This would be an area for us to test. Yeah. And let's check if we have some any progress along with RSI and such. Let me see. Looks like so. But okay, let me take this out. This point. Looks like it has the momentum, yeah, to break up. So we might visit. Now I'm telling you, we will visit like 90K. Okay? We will break this trend line. Now I'm telling you that. Okay? That I can the probability of doing that is high, that we're gonna break this orange trend line. Okay, so from 87, yeah, we have like till around this area to explore. So that right there is roughly 6 more percent. Sige? 6 more percent for Bitcoin to go more up. Now, what else? Mhm. Where is this? Just a second, everyone. Okay. So, by the way, guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section right now. Okay. If, you're confused with anything. But yeah, like I said, we have the chance of breaking this trend line. Okay. Just take note of that. So, breaking this trend line, does that mean that the alts are going to move along with it? So, let's check on our altcoins. Possibly. Yeah. Yep, there's a chance that altcoins is gonna go along with this. Yeah. So for those who doesn't know, okay, in the Telegram, guys, we have some coins. We're holding some coins. So one of the trade that I was looking for today, is Dogecoin. So if you guys are interested, Dogecoin in the daily is literally at the support level, and we just broke the previous resistance of the daily. So now, if you guys are interested in taking any long position, Dogecoin is at the yeah, it's just about to break out. So let me put this long stop loss roughly around this area. Yeah. And miss, where's the take profit? Take profit would be roughly around here. So again, this approach, guys, is for now, this approach is we can expect 3 or 1 week. So swing trading, yeah. But one trade also that I would like you guys to watch out for Dodge is this one. So this one is when you enter it now. Okay, but let's say you want to wait and I want to do a day trading. You guys can wait for this breakout of that, of that line. Okay, of that line. And what shall we do? This is gonna be the stop loss. Okay, below this area. So the stop loss is small in here, right? But the entry is roughly by the breakout. Where's the take profit miss? So this one can be a day trading, everyone, and take profit would be roughly around that area only. Sorry, middle of the original trade that we're looking at. So two trades. Let me just like put it in trade one right here, and then this one. Let's put trade 2. Sige? So, trade 2. Trade 1. That's it. Okay. Oops. Naka-anchor. Alright. So, let's just add dates as well, diba? March 25. 25. So, let's see how this one progress. Okay, those are our conditions, Trade number 2 will be entered after the break of this green line. Simple as that. So that's for Dodge. Now Manta, yeah, looks like a very good continuation then. For those who would like to take, the trade with this, I'm actually looking to take this one. It's at a very nice support. So if Bitcoin like I said, on the higher time frame, let's open the daily. Is that one? Yeah. Like I said, there's a high chance now because of the momentum that we're gonna break or we're gonna go more up. 91 and altcoin is high likely gonna follow that. Simple as that, guys. Sige? So, Romnick, yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Just a second. Again, Romnick, how's it going? Yeah? Mm-hmm. How's it going? So, yeah, like I mentioned earlier, Romnick, right? That I wanted to talk about crypto and the cycle this year. So, now, listen up. Supposedly, yeah, you guys can see all of these lines that I have on my screen right now. Yep. So supposedly is that this one from May, yeah, this is from the halving season. I have count this with you guys. So this is a 24-day cycle, and then the previous halving was a 240-day 42-day cycle. So from here, okay, now we have counted the 242-day cycle. Remember? So it's roughly around, should be here. Yep. So after that, there's a area of, of correction, the 30% drop that I'm talking with you guys. So that area roughly in here is 16 days, and right around this area is 20 days. So we can assume, okay, let's average it out to 20 days. So remember everyone, this is December 14. Okay? December 14, supposedly we're gonna have a, a drop. December 17 that happened. So like like what happened from here, we expected that. It happened, right? We were able to control our trades and all, around this time. Now, supposedly, after here, we were expecting a 20 days, 20 days session for the market to go down. Yeah. And now it happened also, right? So let me, yeah, can you guys see this? It happened, but how many percentage did it move? Roughly 16%. So, like I said, historically, it's supposed to be 31 to 30. So, average like 30%. But it didn't happen at all, diba? Just 16%. So, right here, where we at now, after how many days from that drop? After 100 days. I'm telling you, this is the first time in the Bitcoin cycle that it has happened. Yeah. So it's not just with me, it's not just with you, but with everyone who has been trading crypto. This is new to everyone. So if you're having a hard time figuring out, diba? Like what is really happening? Like why is the market like supposedly it's gonna go up, right? Supposedly, because that's the history and that is tested and true. So, miss, we were expecting by by roughly January, February, it should be alt season. If you guys see the history of crypto market, February, March, around this area, these are the bullish or moon, moon months or altcoin season they call it. But like what is happening right now? We're like 6 days away from April, but market is bleeding 30% to the downside. Tama? So, why is this happening? Now, let's just simply recall, okay? This year, right around here, this is December 17th, sorry, uh, 20, 2017 zone. Okay, this is year 2016 and then 2017. Who trades around this area? Us only. We retail traders and some whales. What about in here? 2020, 2021. A couple of, very small institutions, very small. Mga like Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, little bit in the middle of the game or the push of the market. But most of the money, why we pump from here, was from the whales and from the, you know, retail market, investors like us. So, what's the difference now in here? Thing now in here is this. Back then, we were decentralized. Yeah, you guys understand decentralized, right? Meaning no banks, no government holds us, right? But now, government wants to have a piece of Bitcoin. All countries are buying up Bitcoin. Most major countries. I know you guys are, are well informed with it. America, um, even Russia, China, diba? Everyone are accumulating Bitcoin. And another thing is this. Aside from the government, we have big institutions also. And I'm not talking just like, like Elon Musk, this kind of investors. I'm talking Wall Street, okay? BlackRock. All of this, all of this markets or institutions. And what are these institutions, everyone? What do they have in common? What do they have in common? They literally are what? They are centralized. That's one thing. Yeah. But another one is that they are traditional markets. And crypto, since the beginning of time, is not a traditional market. Yeah, we move when we want to move in that much percentage that we want. But if you guys would observe now, every time we hit, like even at the lower time frame, RSI, the moment it tick at the 70, okay, for those who knows how to use RSI, 70 or 30, it literally reverses right away. And who uses that kind of technique? Traditional. And those traditional, who are they? Institutions, everyone. So it's like before, yeah. If market goes to 30, it can go till 25. I'm talking RSI, 25 to the low of 20. And people will just ride it. And then it can shift like this as well. But now it's not like that. So this ETF, okay, all of this, they sounded bullish, but we can see the effect now of what is what it is doing right now with our crypto market. Can you guys see that now? So again, like I said, supposedly by 24, we have a cycle that we follow, guys, in crypto. This is not your traditional stock markets. But the moment these people entered, what happened? Literally dragged the process. Yes, they are buying billions of dollars, we can say. But like that also disrupted the cycle that we have. Yes, we got the 30%, but the period of time was very long. If we think about it, it's 5x or 4x. Supposedly by January, February, we should have had the pump of altcoins, the push of Bitcoin, yeah, right around here. But no, when January 20, January 18, that was when Trump got, ano, no, inaugurated something. Supposedly, we were expecting for the market to go up because by the technicals only, it should go up. Okay, by the technicals. And along with that bullish, supposed bullish, event, actually is the opposite. So, what can we expect, Miss? Is there gonna be altcoins or there's gonna be no altcoins at all? Altcoin season? Is there gonna be a bull market? Okay, base of the chart, we still have those events coming up, but it's just that it's taking a long period of time than we usually do. So this ETF and everything has literally dragged the process of market for us, for those who are investing, um, for us. So now let's go back around here. That's why, with the title, diba, in YouTube, because I myself, I got a little bit confused about how to approach this market. Little bit. But one thing is this: how to profit off of this market, since we do not have any clear indication yet, okay? Continuing to the upside, that I'm telling you now, we don't have, is that I want you to look the chart, guys, in a daily, or what's gonna happen for the next 2 to 3 days. What's gonna happen for the next 24 days? 24 hours. So for those who are swing traders, I can tell you you're gonna have a little bit of hard time. So that's why just practice doing 2 to 3 days. Okay? What's gonna happen, during couple of hours to come. That's the only way you can profit right now off of this market. Trading. And like I said, we will have a break to the 92. That I can tell you there's a high probability of that happening. I can see the momentum at least, going up from here. But Miss, are we gonna go to 100K? That I cannot tell you yet, to be honest. Because whatever market we have right now in here, it's very uncertain, guys. For me, at least. This is my first time. My first time experiencing this kind of market. I have been in 2016, I have been in 2020, and I know how to deal with this market. Now this is a new market for me. I'm also learning. So that's my 2 cents lang. So if you guys wanna really profit off of this market, is simple. Like I said, day trading, hit and run the market, unless and until we have a clear indication of where this market is, or alt season is, starting. And then we can, full force on sending our funds, exposing our portfolio that much. But right now, it's not worth it yet. I know prices might look very low, very tempting to get into, but there's no certainty that that's gonna be the bottom. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah. So I guess that's it for this afternoon. A very quick update lang, okay, for everyone. With the market that we have now, and yeah, I'll see you guys next session, and yeah. So I'll see you guys next session. I'll post it in our Telegram. And turn your ano din, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification on so you won't miss any live if there's anything like this. And have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.